Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is LMC Spartan war plan session for chapter 5, and let's have a look. Before we go further in this chapter, let me just do some quick recap that what's going on. This is the video that you can actually refer to. Ada 4 subtopics here. 5.1 is talking about gas, okay, 5.2 is liquid, 5.3 is solid, and 5.4 is phase diagram. And apa yang penting adalah kamu kena tahu pasal gases law, the kinetic theory behind the gases law. And then after that, kamu kena tahu apply all the gases law, and also you can watch the video for the further explanation. But for this particular video, kita ada beberapa soalan kita mau bincang. So kita terus sajalah ya. So for question 1, okay, a weather balloon is filled with helium. Okay, dia bagi temperature, and then dia bagi pressure 1 atm, dia bagi volume. And then bila dia ubah condition, temperature berubah, expand, volume berubah, and they ask you to calculate the pressure. So that means you have to use the combined gas law. P1 V1 over T1 equals to P2 V2 over T2, and make sure that your temperature is in Kelvin to get this final answer. Okay, for question 2, okay, they give you a grams of metal Y reacted with excess chlorine, you know, and then dia dapat satu produk which is YClN, okay, and then the vapor of YClN occupied a volume, dia bagi volume, and then dia bagi temperature and also pressure, and they ask you to determine the relative molecular mass of YClN. So first of all, kena cari the mole of YClN compound itu menggunakan formula ideal gas law tu, okay, N equals to PV of RT. Kita rearrange the equation and make sure again that your temperature is in Kelvin, and therefore you will get the mole, and after that from the mole you can actually calculate the molar mass sebab dia ada bagi mass di sana kan. Okay, alright, for question 2A part 2, okay, number 2, okay, you have to calculate the number of moles and relative mole atomic mass of Y. Jadi, kamu dibagi dengan, kamu sudah dapat mole tadi of the particular compound of YClN tadi kan. Jadi, from there kamu boleh compare, okay, boleh compare dengan mass of compound dengan mass of metal tu, okay, and you can actually get the molar mass tadi, menggunakan molar mass tadi of the compound YClN tadi. Okay, then you can get the molar mass of Y, and from the molar mass you can actually get the mole menggunakan formula mole equal to mass over molar mass. Okay guys, okay, so ini adalah berkaitan sedikit dengan chapter 1 lah. All the formulas actually you have learned during SPM. Alright, so 2A part yang seterusnya, the molecular formula of YClN, and also you have to know what is metal Y. So based on the what you call it, the molar mass tadi, if you check the periodic table, okay, ataupun dia punya tables of yang ada proton number semua tu and mass, metal Y is actually magnesium, and since Y is magnesium, therefore the molecular formula of YClN is actually YCl2 sebab Mg kan 2 plus, Cl kan minus, jadi kalau combine MgCl2 kan. Alright, and then question 2b, when 2 grams of certain volatile liquid is heated, the volume of the resulting vapor is 821 milliliter at room temperature. Okay, room temperature yang dia bagi is 127. Saya rasa ni dia typo ni ya, at a temperature tau, bukan room temperature, at a temperature. Okay, lepas itu dia suruh cari molar mass of the substance. So basically it's just the same thing, using the PV equals to nRT, and then using the formula of moles equals to mass over molar mass, you can actually get, okay, masukkan semua value yang diberikan lah, but make sure always that temperature must be in Kelvin, volume must be in liter, and pressure must be in atm, and you will get the final answer of 80.0 grams per mole. Okay, moving on to question 3. A 17.75 grams of Cl2 gas filled into a 3 liter closed container at 27 degrees Celsius. So, biasanya soalan-soalan macam ni kamu kena keluarkan semua maklumat yang dia bagi, and kalau boleh tukar siap-siap semuanya into the units that respectively lah yang kita mau guna, because when you want to apply this PV and RT punya formula, okay, you must use everything in that particular unit lah. And then here you get the moles, which is 0.25 moles, and after that you will get the pressure by rearrange that. Okay, so dia tanya di sini, okay, daripada dapatan kamu di sini, determine whether Cl2 gas behave as an ideal gas at this condition. Okay, jadi kalau kita tengok, kamu dapat 2.05 atm. Okay, sepatutnya, okay, the measured pressure, which is 1.6 atm, tidak sama kan? Jadi kalau tidak sama, therefore the chlorine in that given condition does not behave ideally. Okay. So, nanti dia tanya lagi, state the condition when a gas deviates from ideal behavior. So, condition dia ada dua, iaitu low temperature. Okay, sebab bila low temperature, kinetic energy akan jadi low. Bila kinetic energy low, then attraction between molecules cannot be ignored. It will be significance. Okay, intermolecular forces dia jadi signifikan lah. And then satu lagi condition adalah bila high pressure. Bila high pressure, gas molecule akan jadi compressed, jadi dia semakin dekat, dia clump closer to each other. Therefore, sekali lagi IMF diorang cannot be ignored. Okay, so these are the two condition where the gas deviates, dia menjauhi ideal behavior. So kalau mau cakap dia ideal behavior, dia hanya berlaku pada high temperature, low pressure. The other way around lah. Okay. And then question number 4. The decomposition of KClO3 is commonly used to prepare small amounts of O2 in the laboratory. Oxygen gas generated, collected at 25 degrees Celsius, and then the external laboratory pressure is 762 torr. Okay, so this one basically adalah kalau berkaitan dengan ini, kalau kita nampak sekali dia bagi clue ini juga di sini, that means kita kena apply the Dalton's law yang berkaitan dengan water displacement method. Therefore, the first formula that should come to your mind is this one. P total is equals to P of the gas yang collected dengan P water. So, given the P total is 762 torr tadi kan, jadi kita tolak dengan vapor pressure of water, which is 23.8 torr, and you get that, and you change that into ATM. Barulah masukkan dalam PVNRT. And again, jangan lupa tukar. Everything must be in the unit yang sepatutnya lah. And you should get the mass of O2 yang collected adalah 2.223 grams. Okay. Alright, question number 5. This is about vapor pressure, kaitan dia dengan boiling points and whatnot. Okay, so dia tanya apa itu vapor pressure. So dia ada basically vapor pressure adalah pressure yang exerted by vapor over its liquid in a closed container. So dalam closed container lah. You can watch the video of liquid untuk penjelasan lebih lanjut. Okay, now dia bagi 3 liquid, iaitu ethanol, water and ether with the different boiling points here. They suruh arrange the liquids in order of decreasing vapor pressure. So kalau ikutkan, yang paling tinggi vapor pressure adalah yang paling rendah boiling point, which is ether, and then followed by ethanol. So yang paling rendah vapor pressure adalah water. Why is that? So explanation dia, sebab ether ada lowest boiling point, okay, highest vapor pressure. Okay, sebab apa? Bila dia ada lowest boiling point, maksudnya dia ada less energy required to overcome the attractive force. Sebab IMF dia sangat weak. Okay, weakest IMF. Okay, ingat tu ya, weakest IMF. Jadi less energy required, least energy required, so it can easily escape as vapor. Bila easily escape as vapor, maka tinggilah vapor pressure-nya. Dan seterusnya lah. Okay, alright. Dan kalau kita tengok pula antara water dengan ethanol, water has stronger intermolecular forces lah, sebab dia boleh form more hydrogen bond within the water molecule compared to the ethanol. Ethanol boleh form hydrogen bond tapi tidak sekuat water lah. Ether langsung tidak boleh, dia cuma ada van der Waals forces saja. Jadi kesimpulannya adalah lagi kuat IMF, okay, lagi tinggi boiling point, lagi tinggi boiling point, lagi rendah vapor pressure. So those are the kaitan lah. Okay guys. Alright, and last but not least, question 6 is about phase diagram. So sketch a phase diagram for water. Okay, state the phase change when a sample of water is in ice ya, ice itu maksudnya solid ya guys, at 1 atm and temperature of negative 5 degrees Celsius is heating isobarically. Isobar ya, isobar means constant pressure. Okay, daripada negative 5 kepada 120 degrees Celsius. Jadi Ingat, kita punya markah di sini, tengok ni. 3 markah untuk soalan ni adalah satu axis, satu negative slope, satu faces. Okay, itu dia punya untuk sketching lah. Jadi kena ada 2 curve and 1 line. Line ini untuk water dia kena ke kiri lah. The melting point line. Dia kena ke kiri. Kalau selain daripada water, usually dia ke kanan. Okay, kenapa? You have to refer to the video. Kenapa? Okay, so now kita hit the isobaric. Jangan lupa label solid liquid gas and also all the axis and also level T, triple point, also C, critical points. And then dia punya phase berubah from solid, okay, because you're starting from 1 atm, assuming here -5. So from here solid becomes here, dia akan lalu sini solid liquid equilibrium, and then lalu liquid, and then liquid, okay, liquid gas equilibrium, okay, and then sampailah ke gas. So dia lalui 5 fasa ini. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points actually, bukan 5 fasa. 5 points. Okay, that's it guys for question yang part 1 ini. Thank you.